Hi, my name is Ramona Williams. I am with the Springs Home team at Keller Williams Partners. I am excited to bring you this beautiful Monarch floor plan. It's built by Classic Homes. This is one of the largest floor plans in the area. We are in Wolf Ranch, actually Wolf Ranch North. This home features 6 bedrooms, a master suite that is to die for, a junior master suite downstairs, walkout. I mean, every bell and whistle you can think of, this home has it. So let's go take a tour. Take a look at this wonderful kitchen. We have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, an induction stove. This kitchen is your dream kitchen if you're a cook or you just like to have gatherings. Your upper level, you're gonna find your master suite. This is a nice large suite, tray ceilings, and check out this custom bath. We've got quartz countertops, custom flooring, and oh my gosh, check out this master shower. We are standing in the upper level loft. This gives you lots of extra space just to hang out, a TV room for your teenagers, an office space. We also have upper level laundry and 3 other large bedrooms. This Monarch plan is to die for. We're in the lower level of the Monarch floor plan. As you can see, we have a beautiful walkout. If you go out there, there's a huge patio, covered patio. You have a fireplace, tons of room for everyone to hang out. We have 2 bedrooms, and actually both of them have bathrooms. One is actually inside the bedroom, so a junior suite, and then the other one is right next to the bedroom. This is a perfect oasis for your teenage kids to hang out.